And this is Dana Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2020 Gold Rush Football Vault 1-box eBay break. October 10th, 2020. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. All in since 83 with the Colts, Patriots, and Seahawks. Isaiah 1103 Eagles, Gus Dunn 25, 49ers, Titans, Jaguars, and Chargers. Marcuro Drig-94 with the Redskins. Alicia 1971 Beach 2013 with the Buccaneers. Pip P Red, Steelers, Packers, Saints. Gurr 6037 with the Raiders. Wesley LUI with the Jets. 21 Southside Pride 51 with the Giants. Hunter Line _28 with the Vikings. DeBrut 94 Panthers, Bears, Lions, Rams, Cardinals, Broncos. Chip Love 0724 with the Dolphins. P-Dog 1992 with the Chiefs. Sundance 453 Ravens, Falcons, Bills, Bengals, Browns, Cowboys. I Eat Peas with the Texans. That is your full lineup. Alright, we've got your one box here, 2020 Gold Rush Football Vault. This is Series 2, latest edition. Got 3 high-end hits per box. Let's get the plastic off first. And let's crack the seal. Alright, we got 3 hits here. 1, 2, and 3. Empty box. Alright, hit number 1. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. And we've got a 2018 Contenders Draft Picks School Color Sam Darnold with a Beckett authenticated autograph. And it's a 10 on the auto, too. So, really nice Sam Darnold. JETS Jets striking first. Get the camera to pay attention here. Come on, camera. Let's go. There it goes. Very nice Sam Darnold autograph, 2018 Contenders Draft Picks, School Colors. And a 10 on the auto. So the Jets on the board first. Really nice Sam Darnold. Wesley, LUI, rocking the Jets. Congrats. Beautiful Sam Darnold. Really nice. Alright, and we got your hit number 2 coming up. We have a 2010 Topps Platinum Rookie Autographs, Black Refractors, Ndamukong Suh. 71 out of 99. 95 gem mint, too. Very nice hit for the Lions. 95, 95, 9, and 95, and a 10 on the auto. 71 out of 99. That's a really nice hit for the Lions. Very nice hit for the Lions. DeBrut 94 rocking the Lions. Congrats. Beauty. Nice Ndamukong Suh. Alright, and hit number 3. Ooh, Rob Gronkowski for the Patriots. Limited Phenoms. Jersey autograph. That's a very sweet looking card there. Come on, camera. There we go. Beautiful Gronkowski autograph jersey out of Limited. Patriots. 2 out of 199. 002 out of 199. Real nice Gronk. That is a gorgeous card there. Patriots striking last. Beautiful Gronk. All in since 83. Congrats. Beautiful Gronk. That's really nice. Beautiful Gronkowski. So we had your Gronk guys. Patriots. Beauty. We had your Ndamukong Suh. 2010 Topps Platinum Rookie Autographs Black Refractors. 95 Gem Mint with a 10 on the auto. 71 out of 99. Lions. Very nice. And your very first hit of the break was a 2018 Contenders Draft Pick School Color Sam Darnold with a Beckett 10 auto for your JETS Jets. So the Jets striking with the Sam Darnold there. 3 great hits. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. It really means a lot. CardboardHobby.com. Back at it tomorrow night. We got a website break. CardboardHobby.com. Spots filling on there. Plus we got a luxury full-size autograph helmet break tomorrow night. It'll be our last luxury helmet that we have. So another big break tomorrow night as well on your luxury full-size helmet. Thank you so much for your support, guys. I'll stick around in case if you guys have any questions. Please be smart. Be safe out there.